Hey guys, what is up? Mist here with another video. In this video, there's been a question that a lot of people have been emailing me. My inbox has been full of questions and my Twitter DMs have kind of been going off the hook. And I'm sorry, gonna explain what's been going on. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so basically to summarize everything, I know I have not posted a video since probably mid-December, so a little over 2 months, and I actually apologize to everybody. I've been dealing with a lot of personal things, family things, and work-related things that just wasn't able to give me enough time to basically make new videos. I'm still planning on making a lot of videos. The video I've been trying to make for a long time is to finish up my review of the new Chromecast with Google TV. And I also have a bunch of remotes I need to review, a bunch of Android TV boxes, applications, and gadgets for you guys. Another reason is that I'm probably going to be shifting my channel away from live TV APKs and movie TV APKs. A lot of YouTubers like Free Tech TV, Lee TV, Doc Swiftly has already changed their content to stop using information like that. Triple M is another one. Tech Doctor UK has been changed their content for a while. It's because I know a lot of the YouTubers initially started with this sort of content, but in the long run, in order to stay in the long run, we have to stop making these sorts of videos. YouTube has, for example, given me copyright strikes for videos I've uploaded over 2 years ago that has barely any views because it has those words or those images inside my video. So going forward, unfortunately, I'm not going to be making any more videos or even showing you content about any of the third-party applications. I'm going to try to only show reviews of Android TV boxes, streaming reviews, tips and tricks, and sort of stay in the same area. And personally, I'm also a big fan of smart technology as well, like smart cameras, smart watches, right, smart sensors. I have a lot of stuff I can probably review those well. I'd add those in addition to my original videos. So if you guys are interested, please let me know down below. And if you have ideas of any other videos, please let me know down below as well. But I'm still going to make videos about tips and tricks for Fire TV sticks, legal free TV apps, legal movie applications, things that don't require VPN, and of course, when required, any content that I do show that possibly could be copyrighted, I will have to continue blurring that information out. So, again, so the main two reasons is I had to wait for some copyright strikes to basically be disappeared, and at the same time I also had to wait for some personal and work related stuffs. So if there's anything you guys want to see first, please let me know down below. Send me a DM or send me a Twitter DM or send me an email, and I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. And I thank you all for the support, and I know a lot of people have actually unsubscribed over the last 2 months. I don't blame you, but hopefully I can win your support back. Thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate it, and hope to see you soon. I'm hoping to hopefully upload my first video in 2021, hopefully by today or tomorrow. Again, guys, thank you very much for staying tuned, and thank you very much for all the patience, and I'll see you guys soon.